more, and even more resources to supercharge your progress. Introducing the brand new Prime Stones. So, how do they work? These powerful new obstacles unlock at level 14 and appear in your game carried by a balloon. You can't miss them. To claim a Prime Stone, you'll need to fill the counter first. Just spend energy as you play, and you'll get closer to unlocking it. But be quick, if you don't fill the counter in time, the balloon and your Prime Stone will disappear for a while. Once you've filled the counter, tap the balloon, place the Prime Stone, and start chopping. The best part? These stones give you way more resources than any regular obstacle. But there's another catch. The Prime Stone itself has a time limit too. So be quick, chop it down, and make the most of its rewards before time runs out. Have you tried Prime Stones yet? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fable Town updates. Thanks for watching!